Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lecture. Today our topic is mole concept, which has been taken from the first year chemistry. This topic consists of introduction of mole concept, role of mole in chemistry, and calculation. First of all, introduction, in which the derivation of mole. Dear students, mole is derived from the Latin word which means heap or pile. Heap or pile means the combination of large number of particles. That's why we can define mole as the combination of similar 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles is known as mole. So mole can be defined as the atomic weight, molecular weight or formula weight of substance when taken in gram. So it is called mole. Mole can be represented by MOL. Now mole concept. Mole can be compared with dozen, as 1 dozen is equal to 12 similar particles of substance. Similarly, 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 similar particles. For example, 1 dozen egg is equal to 12 eggs. 1 dozen banana is equal to 12 bananas. Similarly, 1 mole hydrogen molecule is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 oxygen molecules. As 1 pair is equal to 2 similar things, 1 dozen is equal to 12 similar things. 1 century means 100 similar things. 1 milli is equal to 1000 similar things. 1 gross means 144 similar things. Similarly, 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 similar things. That's why 1 mole means heap or pile, because it is a large number of particles. Now role of mole in chemistry. It is very important, mole in chemistry, because anything if we take in chemistry for different kind of practice and experiment, so we take these in term of mole. So mole is used as quantitative unit as well as counting unit in chemistry. As quantitative unit, when atomic weight, formula weight or molecular weight is taken in gram, then this quantity is equal to 1 mole. As counting unit, a pure substance which contains 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 similar particle is called 1 mole. This constant number is known as Avogadro number because this number was first introduced by Emilio Avogadro. That's why it is known as Avogadro number, which has been represented by Na. There are some examples of 1 mole as quantitative and counting unit. 1 mole of sodium is equal to 23 gram, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 sodium atoms. 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram, which contains 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 H2O molecules. 1 mole of oxygen molecules is equal to 32 gram of oxygen, which contains 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 oxygen molecules, while 1 mole of oxygen atoms is equal to 16 gram of oxygen atom, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 oxygen atoms. Now calculation for mole. For calculation number of mole, we use the following formulas. Number first, number of moles is equal to mass or weight of a substance in gram divided by molar mass or molar weight in gram of their substance. Second formula is number of mole is equal to number of particles of a substance divided by Avogadro number. Third formula is given volume and liter of a substance divided by molar volume and liter. Dear students, molar volume means 22.4 liter occupied volume by any gas at STP. STP stands for standard temperature and pressure, where standard temperature is 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin, while standard pressure is 1 atm or 760 torr. For example, first example is calculate number of moles in 250 ग्राम of magnesium. अगर हमारे पास 250 ग्राम मैग्नीशियम है तो इस 250 ग्राम में टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल कितने होंगे. मेथड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. given data the given data is mass of magnesium 250 gram, molar mass of magnesium 24 gram per mole. Required data is number of mole. Formula which is used for this problem is number of mole is equal to given mass of magnesium divided by molar mass of magnesium. So by putting the given data in the above formula, we will find 10.416 mole. So 250 gram of magnesium contains 10.416 mole. Second example is in a laboratory 100 ml of hydrogen gas was prepared. Find the number of mole of prepared hydrogen gas. So the given data as volume of hydrogen 100 ml, it is should be converted to into liter or decimeter cube. So given volume of hydrogen 100 divided by 1000 will be equal to 0.1 liter. Molar volume is 22.4 liter per mole. The required data is number of mole. The formula which is used for this problem is number of mole is equal to given volume in liter divided by molar volume in liter. So by putting the data in the above formula, we get number of mole is equal to 0.1 liter divided by 22.4 liter per mole. Liter will cancel with each other and we will find 0.00446 mole. So 100 ml of hydrogen contains 4.46 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. The third example is in a gas container there is 7.65 and 10 raised to power 24 molecules of helium gas. Calculate these molecules into number of moles. Method of solution. Given data, number of molecule of helium is 7.75 and 10 raised to power 24 molecules. Avogadro number is 6.023 and 10 raised to power 23 particles per mole, which is a constant number. The required data is number of mole. The formula which is used for this problem will be number of mole is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. So by putting the data in the above formula, we get number of mole is equal to 7.75 into 10 raised to power 24 molecules divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules per mole. So the number of molecule will cancel with each other and we will find the number of mole which is equal to 1.28 and 10 raised to power 1, which is equal to 12.86 mole. So 7.75 and 10 raised to power 24 molecules of helium contains 12.86 moles. So thanks for watching this video. If it is fruitful for you, then you can comment, ask questions. Inshallah, I will try of my best to answer you of your question. Take care.